The holiday season is one of the most festive and joyful times of the year, and nothing helps set the mood like a beautifully lit home. However, the task of installing and removing Christmas lights every year can be time-consuming and, at times, dangerous. For homeowners in Southlake, Permanent Christmas Lights offer a practical, hassle-free solution that not only saves time and effort but also brings year-round benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance your holiday decor or enjoy festive lighting throughout the year, Permanent Christmas Lights can transform your home in numerous ways. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of installing permanent Christmas lights in Southlake and why this investment can be a game changer for your home. Convenience and time saving. One of the most appealing aspects of installing permanent Christmas lights is the convenience they offer. Traditional holiday lights require you to climb ladders, untangle wires, and spend hours putting them up, only to take them down a few weeks later. This process is both tiring and time-consuming. No more setup or takeover. With permanent lights, you can skip the annual ritual of decorating your home. The lights are professionally installed once and can be used for many years. You can effortlessly turn your lights on or off with a simple flip of a switch or even set them to automatic timers, eliminating the need for ladders, cords, or the headache of removing lights after the holiday season. Smart controls. Many modern permanent lighting systems can be controlled via a smartphone app, allowing you to change the colors, brightness, and patterns at the touch of a button. You can adjust the settings from inside your home, even schedule the lights to turn on at sunset and off at sunrise, making it easier than ever to manage your holiday lighting. Energy efficiency and cost-saving. Christmas lights are often left on for long hours during the season, resulting in high energy costs. Traditional incandescent holiday lights are particularly inefficient, consuming a significant amount of electricity. Permanent Christmas lights, on the other hand, are typically LED-based, which means they consume far less energy. LED lights. LED lights are up to 80% more energy efficient than incandescent bulbs, making them a much more cost-effective option. By upgrading to permanent LED Christmas lights, you can enjoy beautiful displays without worrying about inflated electric bills. In fact, the energy savings will add up over time, making this a worthwhile investment. Long-lasting performance. LED lights also have a longer lifespan, lasting up to 25 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. This means fewer replacements and less hassle for you, saving both time and money in the long run. Increased curb appeal and home value. Your home's exterior is the first thing people see, and Christmas lights can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, especially in a place like Southlake, where neighborhoods are known for their community spirit and festive decorations. Instant holiday charm. Permanent Christmas lights can be customized to fit your home's architecture and style. Whether you prefer a classic white glow, vibrant multicolored displays, or something in between, permanent lights will instantly create a welcoming and festive atmosphere. They add charm and character to your home, making it stand out in the neighborhood, particularly during the holidays. Enhanced property value. While Christmas lights are traditionally associated with holiday decor, permanent lighting systems can also add to your home's value. If you ever decide to sell, prospective buyers may appreciate the convenience of built-in, energy-efficient holiday lighting, giving your home an edge in the competitive market. Year-round use. Although permanent Christmas lights are mainly installed for the holidays, they are not limited to just the festive season. These lights are versatile and can be used throughout the year for various occasions and celebrations. Holiday flexibility. Beyond Christmas, you can use your lights to celebrate New Year's Eve, 4th of July, Halloween, birthdays, and even local events. Many modern permanent lighting systems allow you to change the colors to match the occasion. For example, you can set your lights to red, white, and blue for Independence Day to display a soft amber glow for a cozy winter ambiance. Subtle outdoor lighting. If you simply want to create an inviting atmosphere for outdoor gatherings, your permanent lights can provide a gentle, ambient glow. This soft lighting is ideal for barbecues, garden parties, and evening get-togethers, helping set the mood without the need for harsh lighting. Improved safety and durability. Installing traditional holiday lights comes with certain risks, particularly when it comes to safety. Climbing ladders to install lights can be dangerous, and the lights themselves can pose fire hazards if not properly maintained. Permanent Christmas lights eliminate these risks, ensuring that your holiday lighting is both safe and durable. Safe and secure installation. Permanent lights are professionally installed and securely mounted, so you won't have to worry about tangled wires or falling bulbs. The installation is done safely, with weatherproof materials and high-quality fixtures that are designed to withstand the elements. Weather-resistant. Permanent Christmas lights are built to endure various weather conditions, from rain to snow to high winds. These lights are designed to be durable, ensuring that your investment will last for many years with little to no maintenance required. Low maintenance. Once installed, permanent Christmas lights require very little upkeep. Unlike traditional lights that need to be constantly maintained, untangled, or replaced, permanent LED lights are built for long-lasting performance with minimal effort. Less maintenance. With weatherproof, durable materials, permanent lights can withstand the elements, so you won't need to worry about replacing burnt-out bulbs or dealing with tangled wires. Simply clean the lights once a year, and you're good to go. Conclusion. For homeowners in Southlake, installing permanent Christmas lights offers a multitude of benefits, from the convenience of hassle-free decorating to the energy efficiency and long-term cost savings. These lights also enhance curb appeal, increase property value, and provide year-round use for all kinds of celebrations. With professional installation, durable materials, and customizable designs, permanent Christmas lights are an investment that will bring beauty and functionality to your home for years to come. Skip the ladder this year and embrace the ease and elegance of permanent Christmas lights. Your home and your family will thank you.